Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Moto G22 and I'm going to show you how to fix the phase unlock not working. At first prepare yourself a microfiber cloth. It doesn't have to be a microfiber cloth, it can be any soft, dry cloth, but you have to just clean it somehow. Don't use any chemicals, don't use water. You can use isopropyl alcohol if you want, if you see that your screen is very dirty and the area near your camera is dirty too. So clean it like this. And now you should check if it works. As you can see, my phone works flawlessly. If your phone doesn't work flawlessly, you need to open the settings, then go to the security, not privacy, security. Here tap phase unlock, confirm your screen lock, and here delete recorded face. Tap remove. And now add face data back again. Here you've got this disclaimer and you need to read it before doing so, because here we've got many things. Please be careful about the glasses, about hat, mask, wear their heavy makeup when recording, when taking a photo. But you need to, of course, take the glasses off, take the hat off, masks, bird, I have no idea why bird is wrong and heavy makeup, but you know what I mean. You need to avoid taking your photo under the dim light or lens dirty, and when recording your face can't be faced upwards, downwards, or to sides. You need to just have your face to the camera. Tap continue, and now just put your face into this circle. Now tap OK, and we are done. If it doesn't work still for you, you need to make sure that you have got good lighting during setup and use, and that should be it. Goodbye.